Guys, I've recently found out a trick to make a red lipstick like this one to a nude lipstick. मतलब, on our list, it will look like we have applied a nude lipstick. So let's try it out. I'm super excited for that. So first of all, we need to apply the foundation in our lower lip. Okay, like this. Done. And a lot of lipstick on the. This one is pink line matte lipstick in a maroon shade on the lower lip. A lot of lipstick. And then blend all of those lips by using themselves only. This excess foundation I'm going to remove. I have applied too much foundation. I think मैंने लिपस्टिक को ज़्यादा ही कम लगाया था. Let me apply this lipstick as well. This one. This one is Huda Matte lipstick in the shade maroon. Wow, this trick actually works. I mean, look at my lips. Such a nude look it has created by using this maroon lipstick. It works. Beautiful यार. काफी प्यारा लग रहा है.